Good morning, students. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to get your vocabulary lessons, okay? So I am in one of the students' Google Classrooms, and this is what yours should look like. And whichever block you have me for, that's where you should be in at the moment. So in the first block is where she has me, so I'm going to click on that, okay? And if you look over here to the left side, you have upcoming, right? Upcoming. So we have this attendance question that's due, and then due Friday we have these vocabulary, okay? So I'm going to show you how to log on to vocabulary so that you can finish it. All right, so it says to sign into your Google account in order to complete the vocabulary assignment. So you're going to click on this, and then you're simply just going to sign in to the Google account. Make sure it's your Google account, nobody else's. And then now look at that. We've got the video, your favorite video. Everybody loves this video. You'll watch the video, and then you'll go into the vocab game. You'll play the vocab game where you build your own beat, all right? And then you'll have your lyric lab. There will be a quiz that you have to do, but I do believe, oh, and if you go up here, look, it says, here's the assignment, okay? At the very top, it says assignments, and it has this notification. Click on the assignment, and these are the things you must do. All right, it says, look, for Miss Sharp's homeroom, due in 4 days, you have to watch the video, have to do the vocab game and the lyric lab, okay? Now, there is another assignment just because I made a mistake, and you'll have to go back into the Google Classroom. So let me go back. Click on the second assignment at the bottom. Sign into your Google account just like before. And this time it's going to be the quiz. It's a quick little quiz. It won't be much. Well, it's not tiny enough, but that's okay. All right, do all of those 3 assignments. Look, they have the little orange dots next to them. And then whenever you're done, I will see that you've done them in my vocabulary account, and I'll take the grade for it.